Hello, I'm Cindy. So, how to make your product different and unique? You need something special to attract people's eyes. And the colors, choose a supplier who has their own coating line and make the products in different colors. And second, the patterns. And here are different patterns you can see here. And the first one is the embossed logo. It needs mold to make it. And the second one is the seal printing. It needs to use the seal printing mold to print the logo, and it only can print one color logo at a time. And the third one is water transfer sticker like this. When used water transfer sticker, the logo can be colorful one.